If you are planning to install an aftermarket high clearance bumper for your third gen Tacoma, this is everything you need to remove. And this is the part you have to cut on the factory bumper. Then you are ready to install your high clearance bumper. So whether you're installing this yourself or having a shop install it, there's really two ways of doing it. So the first way to install it is using an R4T bumper cap that is paint matched, or you can also get this in raw and it'll look like this block here. So when you get it paint matched, the R4T bumper cap is already cut with a perfect line, and there is no fog body line like on this one you see here, where you can still see that there was something there before. So this will be option one. This is perfect for somebody who's installing this at home by themselves or with a buddy. Option two is more for a shop, or if you are pretty handy and know how to cut a perfectly straight line, which is what you'll see here. So when you're doing this with the shop, this is going to be a little bit more economical just because you can save your factory bumper, and it's a little bit cheaper for the cut time versus having to buy a fully painted piece. So whether you're installing the C4 fabrication high clearance bumper or any of the other brands, most of them are going to have the same cut line. So what you'll see here is the factory fog light area. Right above that is where all the aftermarket manufacturers want you to cut the bumper at. So that's what you see here. And what's left over is this fog light crease line right above the bumper where it looks like something was there before. And I didn't like that. So when we designed the bumper cap, we got rid of that entirely so it doesn't look like something was existing before. So being that that cut line is where most of the manufacturers want you to cut at, our bumper caps will work with the majority of them. That would include all the brands that we have on the website, including C4, CBI, Backwoods, a lot of the most popular brands that you'll see for the third gen Tacoma. That way there's no guesswork or anything like that. You literally just take off your factory bumper, install our bumper cap, and if you have fender flares, you would just have to trim that and then you're done.